Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the Android 17 security update, and we have got a bunch of new features here, so we'll talk about it. First of all, we have got Android 17 here, and we have screen reactions. Now we can record a video, selfie video, just like you do screen reactions on a TikTok or any other application here. Then we have Gemini Omni. uh, we will check this feature out, and then we have a describe an idea or upload a photo, and it will be transferred into high quality audio. And we have got floating bubbles on our main screen, and this is a cool thing. So screen reactions are only available when screen recording is set to record the entire screen, and Google AI subscription is required, so it is 18 plus, and the limits are applied also. Yeah. And we have the update size of 1.43 G. So I will install it and we will check it out. So there is no other link, so here we have a community page. If we check, oh, what's included in June 2026 Pixel drop. So it is supported to all Pixel devices from the 6 to the latest 10 series, and we have the screen reactions here. Create and added videos with Gemini Omni, and then we have music generation with Gemini. You can generate a music with the help of Gemini, and we have bubbles, and we have added with Arcs photo comes to more markets. Okay, and we have voice translate expand to Google Pixel 10a. So Pixel 10a will receive this thing, not on older Pixels. Then I think Magic Q will now work on more places here. Then we have take a message, expand to more market, and add custom greetings. And then we have loss of pulse, car crash and fall detection with emergency sharing. And now the quick share is available on 9a and 8a, so I don't know why they haven't released for flagship 7 series and in 8 series also. And then we have call screen is now live in India, so this is for Indian variant. And here we have some bunch of the features, you can check this out. And we have some of the disclaimer here, you can check this out here. So I'm pretty sure you have guys downloaded this update, and it was released 55 minutes ago, which is quite cool. So this is the UI look of the home screen, and I'm going to show you the latest version here. So going to the about phone system update, and then you can see the Android 17 version. And let me just talk to you about the bubbles. The bubbles in the Android 17 is pretty good. So like when you click on bubble, you will find this thing, and you can add up to like 5 apps on your screen. And let's say I add a clock, let's say I add many more apps. You can just switch it, but there's one glitch. You can see that this whole thing is white, the top arrow, and on the black there is white arrow on the top. So I think Google needs to fix that. And you can see how it looks on the white background with the arrow on top. And let's talk about adding more apps. You can see I can add YouTube, and I can add Play Store here, and many other apps too. And here you can see how I can drag it back down. It is very smooth, and you can just directly close all the apps at once. Okay, so we have got a new blur UI, and if you talk about, let's say I'm on clock and click on widgets, so you can see the blur is applied on the UI. And if I go on the widgets here, so you can see that we have plenty of the blur here applied on my widget section, but still it is not applied on the volume slider and not that much on the other things. Like if we go here, you can see there is no blur here, so I hope Google will fix that also. Okay, so we have the color section. So you can see that if I click on black color and click on apply, so you can see we have got a very dark black color here, which is pretty cool here. Let me just get back onto the normal color, which I really love it. And if we click on icons, so you can see that the create button is now on the left side, and it is also circle. So when I click on it, you'll get a new loading look, and we have the same icons here. And you can also get the same shapes, but you have another feature is called names, and you can add the names or remove the names. But I really prefer the names because you can see how it looks, which is pretty neat. Okay, we have another feature, like let's say you like a photo and you want to share with the others, like you don't want to share directly here, just click on this photo like icon here, and you will get a save option here. So you can just save it, and it will be saved if you want. Or something like you have see something in Facebook and you want to save it, or you want to share it to the group, so you can just directly save it there, which is a nice feature for future references here. Okay, a new change we have got is the separate mobile and Wi-Fi toggle here. So I can just click on it to disable the Wi-Fi or click on mobile data, but it will give me a confirmation message to say if you want to really turn on the mobile data, just click on turn on and your mobile data will be turned on. You can directly turn it off and you can directly turn on, but you can go in the same page, so you have the same page. And you can see we have got a nice animations here, and here we can see a new good animations for the flashlight screen also. We have got some new features listed by the Googles in the Google Pixel app. Here you can see this. Just click on it, and here we have music creation. Just click on it right there on the Gemini, and there is an option for the music, and you can select any music part here and go to the photos and try it out. But I think you need a Gemini subscription to make it happen, because you need to pay for it. And similarly for the Gemini Omni, which is like you can generate some videos with the help of this, but you need to pay for it. Then we have the bubble set, like I have shown you before, and then we have screen reactions. I will show you there. So as you can see, the screen recording feature is now new, as you can see, with the more bouncy animations here. You can see when you click on it, and here you can also show the selfie camera here also. Just click on it and you can get the live screen reactions here, and you can also click on any colors like you want to do. We have like 6 to 7 colors, and you can just click on and off on the particular color and you can get it also, which I really like it. And you can disable it, and this is something how it looks. Another thing I have noticed that you can see the clock here is much bolder as compared to the Android 16, and I really like it because you can see this is very much bold, and you can also see the new toggle here, which you can see, and you can just check which apps are using it. But I think there is no animations here. I hope Google adds some animations, so it looks pretty cool here. You can see this, and I really like the rest of the UI, but I think there is no split screen option here. And another thing is that when you swipe down and you just randomly like scroll up to go like to the home screen, but there's a feature here like you can shift your finger to the right, and it will go like that, how it goes. So this is a very neat feature, but I think it is not working that well when going to the home screen. So this is the feature you can. Okay, another feature is that when you scroll down here, like you just go here, you can see it says you're all caught up. Like this is a new feature here, and you can just directly go there to the home screen, just clicking on it, and you can check the notification history also, which is quite nice here. Okay, another feature is that you can see there's two toggles. I can click on here either and click on here either, so which I think which is very cool here to click on it. But you can see that we have got a center navigation here to exit the navigation, and you can see now how it looks like when a single application like the video recording, the screen recording is working here. And as you can see that we have got the new Android 17 logo, so you can either do this and do like that. Let me just oh man, so you just have to drag and drop like that to create a circle, and when you click on it you will prompt it to the spaceship game, the same as the previous Android 15 and 16 also. Okay, another feature we have got is that when you want to access the Gemini, you either click on the power button, but there is a feature in this Android 17 is that either you drag your finger from the bottom side, either it is on left or right, and if I go to the right, and another change is that when you are on maps, you can see the new location access card here. You can directly click on it and you can see the new animations here, like how it looks. You can either click on precise and you can click on approximate here, but this one is really a better looking UI here. Okay, so here when you click on the like you want to copy something, when you click on copy you will get a more darker color, which is really cool. And the previous build it was a very light color, but now it is a dark color, so I think this is a good color choice as I like it. Okay, another change is that if you click on any of the tiles, you will find that all of the settings part has been minimized and it looks very smaller as compared to the previous build that were very like they have large tiles. But this I liked it, and now it has a good fade. If you click on a brightness level, you will find like it has a good fade in and fade out touch. Like you can click on it, you can see the fade in and fade out touch. So like you are on your network details here, like when you click on your network and you can go here, you will find a new toggle here called share network and allow users to edit the network. And here you can just give other users on this device so they can access this network. But if you are giving other users to access network on this device, they cannot access it. This is how it looks like. So when you go on to the apps and you click on any of the apps here, like say if I click on the maps here and scroll down, you will find a function here called app tasks. Basically what it does, like it seamlessly continue where you left off on other devices. I think basically you can just continue where you have stopped here. I think this is a nice feature here. And when you go to the apps and you go to the default apps and click on digital assistant app, you will find two new AI buttons like Google and ChatGPT here, or you can use none here. And we have a separate tiles for it as compared to the Android 16, which had all those things stepped up. And another feature in the sounds and vibration, when you click on it, you will find the assistant volume button, the toggle here. And let me show you, like when you click on here, you will not find the assistant volume button here, but like when you I don't have internet connection right now, but when you are talking with the Gemini, you will find the assistant volume slider there, and you can just adjust the voice according to the surroundings here. And when you go to the display and touch, and you click on the dark theme here, and here we have got a gear icon here. So when you click on it, you find that which apps you want to turn on dark mode and which apps will not use the dark theme. So let's say we have these applications and these will not use the dark theme here, but all of those apps like I use usually will use the dark theme. So the other features, there's a I think this is an issue. If I say, let's say if I open this settings tile here, and you can see how it looks with the new animations, but if I keep rapidly open like that for like showing off to the iPhone users or that